Get ready to learn forex trading from scratch. I, Akinwole Victor, will be your tutor for 6 weeks. I'll be teaching you trading from scratch, from beginners with how to know knowledge without knowing what is forex, to an advanced class where you can be able to analyze trading charts yourself, take trades, identify patterns, manage risks, manage emotions, and be profitable in the forex market. I'll be taking you a 6 weeks course on forex trading from scratch, like I said, and I'll be releasing a YouTube video at least 3 times in a week. So if you've not subscribed on this channel, kindly subscribe now, because we're about to dive into the world of forex trading. We are going to unlock the secrets of profitable forex trading. Let's go. Learn to trade the forex market from scratch. So starting up with the forex course from scratch. If you're a beginner, like I said, I'm here to take you on from being a beginner to a pro trader. So this is the ultimate forex blueprint to be a successful trader. So week 1 to 2 will be based on just foundation, uh, and we'll have in that, in between the week 1 to 2, we'll have introduction to forex, basic knowledge on forex, benefits of trading the forex market, my vision personally for teaching you how to trade the forex market. I'll be revealing it on the fourth part, and every of this and the video will be in parts, like I said in the intro. The videos will be in parts. So in a week, where the chances I'll be releasing 2 to 3 parts. And so we have given VstreakFx Fiction. I'll be sharing you my reliable broker. That's in between the week 1 to 2. In between week 3 to 4, I'll be teaching you introduction to trading view. That's the trading platform in which we use to analyze the chart and to identify our patterns. 2, I'll be starting the full technical we'll start the technical knowledge of the chart, which is, one is the candlestick pattern. I'm sure you do see candlestick on people's chart that, oh, what's this, what does this candlestick mean? In this part, we'll be discussing all the, I have 5 basic candlestick I look forward to in as a signal, because candlestick is used for signal. So we're doing that also. And the third, we have ray lines and trend lines. I'm sure you see a diagonal lines, diagonal and horizontal lines on people's chart, and you wonder what is it meant for. In these ray lines and trend lines, I'll be dissecting what is being used for. So we're going down also to support and resistance. It's a long road, guys. Support and resistance, I'm sure if you're having people, okay, trade support and resistance. I trade support and I trade SMC, I trade this, I trade demand, I trade in this support. We'll streamline everything down to support and resistance. We'll be learning very well. We're learning market structure, where we'll talk about highs and lows, to learn about chart patterns, or you head and shoulder, double top, double bottom. In these chart patterns, we'll be dealing with that. And in the week 5 to 6, we'll enter more advanced concept. We'll have multi-touch identification, which is key level, which is getting our area of interest perfectly. Understanding EMA and Fibonacci retracement level, which is serves as an extra confluence to take our trade. You'll be learning multi-time frame analysis perfectly, and you'll be understanding how you can actually build your confidence successfully and executing trades without fear. And building your own trading plan. Trading plan seems to be one essential thing on the chart. Learning how you can actually build your own trading plan, and I'll actually build one for you, and I'll show you the one I use personally. So in the final module, we're talking about the trading psychology, the risk management, and backtesting concepts. You see, these final modules, they are strong pillars that will actually make all what we've been dealing from week 1, that will make them very much solid. So quickly, let's get into the first intro to forex. And I welcome you once. I welcome once again. Learn to trade from step to step. Learn how to trade step by step profitably with VstreakFx Academy. So now let's go to the first concept. What is forex trading? I'm sure you've been hearing, okay, what's forex trading? You've been hearing what is forex. You know, the forex on its own, then adding trading to it makes the term deep. Yeah, when you talk about forex, forex can just be, people call it FX, call it global markets. Yeah, but when you talk about trading, you know what trading means in general is buying and selling. In your commercial classes, in your primary or secondary schools, or in your high schools, you know trading is all about buying and selling. You want to talk about forex, that's more of like the global market. FX is more of, forex is more about the global market in the world. So making it more of like you're trading what the global currencies. And what are the global currencies? We have the major currencies like the pounds, the USD, the Japanese yen, the Swiss francs, the South African rand, and the like. So now boiling down to what is trading in simple quotes, I adopted that definition from a trading guru, a trading pro, which is Mark Douglas. I celebrate him. So trading, he gave this very simple trading pattern, which I adopted as a clear definition to what trading is. Trading is a pattern recognition number game. We use market analysis to identify the patterns, define the risk, and determine when to take profit. It's just a number game whereby you go to the chart, you are looking for things that has always played out before on the charts, because human beings have um similar behaviors. When you see somebody that is stingy today, when they mean somebody stingy, selfish, or let's say somebody that is abusive, that person has that's already a behavior to that person. There are high chances that in a week he or she will exhibit at least 3 times of those characters. So, and people trading the forex markets are human beings, so we have those patterns that are always forming on the chart that signifies us that okay, this is my time to buy, this is my time to sell. That's an edge. And in this trading course, I'll be teaching you a profitable edge that you can apply on the chart, and it's going to make you profitable. So you have those patterns, and anytime those patterns comes to play in, um you do well to take your trade. And at the same time, there's a random distribution between wins and losses in the forex market. That does not mean that, let's say, with those patterns, that anytime you get to see them, then prepare your mind that you get to see them, you are going to get to win 100%. No, there are chances that when those patterns occur in 10 sample space, there are chances that it's only 5 or 6 that will be a win with a good risk to reward. Meaning that when you are losing one, you are trying to gain three. So it's just a number game whereby you play with the numbers. Don't let me get into the technical aspect so much. So we use those analysis to actually dictate where our stops will be, meaning that when that trade is not ready to push to our desired direction, either a buy, either a sell, and when it's not ready to do okay, and okay, we are going to use those same patterns and analysis to determine that yes, if this and this happen, this should actually take me out. This means the trade is not ready to go. And when the trade is ready to go, I'm looking forward to see okay at a structure point, at a desired percentage level, that's like a 3%, 2% of what you are risking. So, and the thing, the trade either works or not. And if it does not work, what do you do? Will you cry over the chart? No, you manage your risks properly and go on to the next trade. So that's why I say trading is a full number game. Even after teaching you everything, introducing you to the chart, you can get to identify simple things on the pattern on the chart, and that there are patterns that forms regularly that you can choose to trade yourself, even not trading what I'm actually teaching. So it's just a simple number game. So you're wondering who are the forex traders, and you say who are people they call forex traders. Okay, actually we have this general notation that forex trader is somebody who buys and sells in the global market. And now things have become very easy due to the modern age. The modern age has made everything easy for everybody. We can easily place your trade on your phone, comparing to those days whereby you have to go to the cyber cafe, you have to go print out charts during the weekend. That's the 90s. You go print out charts during the weekends to study. Things have been very, very easy. Place your pending orders due to you not being able to sit down on the chart. And that's when people use more bigger stops. But now people use smaller stops and have a more accurate technical analysis. So a forex trader is somebody who buys and sells currency in the global foreign exchange market. That's the common notation, but at the same time, I would like to tell you a real forex trader is somebody who identifies his edge consistently, who manages risk consistently, who knows when to take profits and when to take stops, who do well to manage his emotions when the trade is running. That's who a forex trader is. So now let's move on to participants, which is going to be the last concept in this video before we'll move to the next part, which you'll stay tuned for. So in the next part, we're talking about the basic knowledge on things you need to know on the forex market and the like. So participants in the forex market, we have the central banks, because we're wondering, okay, who are the people moving the chart? Is the chart automatic? Is the chart just moving on its own? Obviously, no. The chart does not move on its own. So participants in the forex market, we have the central banks, we have the commercial banks, we have the traditional users, we have traders and speculators, and we have brokers. Now, who are the central banks? Obviously, you know central banks in your country. I'm in Nigeria, and our central bank is Central Bank of Nigeria. We have US banks, central banks. We have UK central banks, and countries you are. So those banks are one of the major participants in the forex market, and we have the commercial banks, which is my Nigeria. We have a lot of commercial banks like the United Bank of Africa. We have the First Bank of Nigeria. We have Eco Bank. We have a lot of commercial banks out there, and the traditional users. We have a lot of traditional users out there. Like I think I can actually put the social users are basically me with it, and most of these categories are based on the equity in which we trade in. You get the when I mean equity, the amount of money in which we are trading with. So traders and speculators are more of like uh I don't know, for those traders and speculators are mostly found in the stock and crypto trading. Why do I say so? Not all crypto trader, don't get me wrong, in sense that they have literally let's say they have literally just 10 to 20% of knowledge of what that thing is all about, and they just have a signal from somebody that says, okay, oh, BTC is going to be moving so to so dollar by next week. Okay, if you have money, come and buy. Then they start buying. They're just accumulating that currency or that asset. So those are more of like the speculators. They are only looking for times when the price is down. They are looking for when they will actually leave it to years, months to actually yield to their desired profit or to their defined profit. So we have brokers. Brokers are those who connect buyers and sellers together in the foreign exchange market, because everybody's coming to a broker like a broker I use is SNES. I'll drop the link in my in the link in this video. You can get to register. SNES is a broker that connects buyers and sellers together. They connect what? They connect buyers and sellers together. When you are coming to the market, how we get connected to, because what you are looking in a particular asset in Nigeria, what you are looking at in that part, let's say pounds USD as a case of study. You're looking at pounds USD here in Nigeria. That's the same thing somebody in US is watching. That's what same thing somebody in UK is watching. That's the same thing somebody in India, in Pakistan, in Qatar is watching. So you get brokers actually connect you to the financial market. So that's all for today. So in the next tomorrow we're going into basic knowledge on forex trading, and it's going to be an exciting one. I'm sure you love it. If you've not like or subscribe this video on this channel, kindly do so right now. And if you have a question, kindly drop it in the comment box. You can even drop your phone number on your WhatsApp. I'm going to message you directly personally and ask for your questions and ask for what you need and help for. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful time. Thank you.